Hello students, welcome to the chapter Relations and Functions. This is a lecture number 6. We have discussed so many concepts in relations and functions in the last 5 videos. If you have not watched those videos, please watch all the 5 videos, then you watch the lecturer 6. In this video, I am going to teach you the very important concept of function that is called as composite function. Composition of functions. Dear students, one of the very important concept in functions, not only in this chapter, even this will help you to study differentiation also. So watch this video with full of concentration. Composition of functions. What is the definition of this? Dear students, let f from a to b and g from b to c be any two functions, then the composition of f and g denoted by g composition f, g small circle f, read as g composition of f, and it is defined as the function. Look at the arrow diagram of f and g here. F is a function from a to b and there is a c. G is a function from b to c. F is a function from a to b. X is an element in the set A. The corresponding image of x is y. That y is equal to f of x because y is under f. Therefore, y is equal to f of x. Now, g is a function from b to c. F of x is an element in b or y is an element in b. So under the function g, the image of y will be z and it is equal to g of y, and you can replace y, so g of f of x. Dear students, f and g are the two functions from the set A to set B and the set B to set C respectively. Image of x is f of x and image of f of x under g is g of f of x. There exists a new function that you can see. There exists a new function from the set A to the set C and it is denoted as g composition f. G small circle f. So that is defined by g composition f from A to C given by g composition f of x is equal to g of f of x. Dear students, under the function g composition f of x that will be in the set C, so that element you can see as g of f of x. That belongs to the set C, where x belongs to the set A. This is the definition of composition of function g composition f. Similarly, you can define another composition, say f composition g from the set A to the set C. This is given by, note this step students, this is given by f composition g of x is equal to f of g of x. You can observe g composition f of x is g of f of x. Just remove the small circle, then g of f of x will be the composition. Here also f composition g of x, just remove this small circle, f of g of x will be the composition of f and g. This is a composition of g and f, and here it is a composition of f and g. These are the two very important definitions of composition of function, students. Already we discussed this one. Let us have note. Domain of g composition f. What is the domain of g composition f? This is a function g composition f. The set A is a domain. Set C is the codomain. Is it the domain of f Yeah, definitely. Therefore, domain of F. And codomain of G composition F. Codomain of G composition F is C. Is it a codomain of G? Yes, codomain of G. This is a note number 1 that you have to concentrate. Next, G composition F is well defined only if range of F is a subset of domain of G. Definitely students, G composition F is defined only when range of the function F. What is the range of the function F? Is it the set B? Means inside the set B there will be the range of F. So that range of F will be domain of G. Definitely the set B will act as the domain. So that is the meaning of note number 2. Number 3. If G composition F is defined, then it is not necessary that F composition G is defined. Remember students, if G composition F exists, it is not necessarily that F composition G also exists. Overall, we can tell F composition G is not always equal to G composition F. So this is note number 3. Dear students, I would like to recall some points which I had discussed just now before going to the next part. The number 1, G composition F of X is equal to, just remove the small circle, G of F of X is a definition. And number 2, F composition G of X is equal to, remove the small circle, so that F of G of X. This is the definition number 2 of composition. Still there are another 2 definitions, that is nothing but F composition F of X is equal to, remove the small circle, F of X. It is a composition of the function to itself. Number 4, G composition G of X is equal to G of X. So these are the 4 very important composition functions definitions. The first one you read it as composition of G and F. The second one read it as composition of F and G. Third one composition of F and F itself. Fourth one composition of the functions G and G itself. So recall, remember always these 4 definitions of composition of function, students. Then we'll think the further examples, the basic examples. Let F from the set 2, 3, 4, 5 to the set 3, 4, 5, 9 is a function F, and the function G is from 3, 4, 5, 9 to the set 7, 11, 15 be functions defined as F of t is equal to 3, F of 3 is equal to 4, F of 4 and F of 5 both are equal to 5. This is about F function. G of 3, G of 4 both are equal to 7, and G of 5, G of 9 both are equal to 11. Taking all this, find G composition F is the question. Let us have the solution. Let me take the arrow diagram of these 2 functions F and G. F is a function from the set A to the set B. I treat this as A, this as B, and this will be definitely B because 3, 4, 5, 9 you have taken as B. So the set B is 3, 4, 5, 9 and C. So you can see the elements of the set A, B and C in the arrow diagram. These are the 3 sets. F is a function from A to B. G is a function from B to C. Okay. Now, relation means relating the elements from A to B. F of 2 is equal to 3 means 2 is related to 3. 2 is related to 3. Then F of 3 is equal to 4. 3 is related to 4. And then F of 4 and F of 5 are related to 5. 4 is related to 5 and 5 is also related to 5. This is about the function F. Next, about the function G. I am roughly discussing, students. G of 3, G of 4 is equal to 7 means 3 and 4 are related to 7. 3 is related to 7, 4 is also related to 7. Next, G of 5, G of 9 equal to 11 means 5 and 11 are related to 11. 5 and 9 are related to 11. 5 is related to 11, 9 is also related to 11. This is about the given function that I discussed roughly. Now let me take clearly that I explained 2 is related to 3 because of f of 2 is equal to 3. 3 is related to 7 because you can see g of 3 is equal to 7. Next, come back to the function f. 3 is related to 4 because of f of 3 is equal to 4. And g of 4 is also 7, 4 is related to 7. F of 4 is equal to 5, so 4 is related to 5. 5 is related to 11 because g of 5 is 11. Come back to the function f. 5 is related to 5 because f of 5 is equal to 5. Then 9 is related to 11 under the function g because g of 9 is 11. Hope you followed this connection from A to B and B to C. Now find G composition F. G composition F is a function from the set A to the set C. To the set C is a composition of the functions. G composition F. Taking this aside, let us find out the G composition F of 2 because the first element is 2, after that 3, then 4, then 5. So one by one we will find out the element, students. First element G composition F of 2 is equal to definition. What I said, just remove the small circle so that it will be what? G of F of 2. So what is F of 2? To write F of 2, see the connection from 2 to 3. So f of 2 is equal to 3. So in place of f of 2, I will write it as 3. So g of 3. Then what is g of 3? 3 is related to 7. So g of 3 will be 7. So the value of g of 3 I am writing 7. This is the first. Second, G composition f of 3 follow the same manner. G of f of 3 is equal to G of 4 because f of 3 is 4 here. So I am writing f of 3 value 4. G of 4 will be 7 because of the connection that you can see, 4 is related to 7. Next, G composition f of 4. G of f of 4 is equal to f of 4 value is 5. So G of 5 will be 11 that I am seeing from the diagram. G composition f of 5. G of f of 5. What is f of 5? You can see f of 5 is 5 itself because 5 is related to 5 under f. So f of 5 I replace it as 5. So G of 5 is equal to, now to get G of 5, 5 is related to what? 11. So under the function G, 5 is related to 11 means G of 5 is also 11. So these are the elements and that you got, students. So finally you can write G composition F is equal to, it is a set, 2 is related to 7. So the first ordered pair I should write it as 2, 7. Then 3 under G composition F is related to 7. So 3, 7. And then 4, 11. Hope you are understanding. Then 5, 11. So these are the ordered pairs in G composition F that you can see here. 2, 7, 3, 7, 4, 11, 5, 11. Hence we got G composition F. This is a basic problem, students, to understand G composition F. Now let me take find G composition F and F composition G. If F from R to R and G from R to R, R means set of real numbers, are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square, show that G composition F is not equal to F composition Z. The solution of this one we'll see. Dear students, as I discussed, the definition of G composition F of X is equal to G of F of X, and F composition G of X is equal to F of G of X. These are the definitions, students. Taking the help of these two definitions, let me start the question and the solution. Given f of x is equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square. Okay. Now first one I am going to find out G composition F. G composition F of x is equal to G of F of x according to the definition. Dear students, G will as it is. What is f of x function? That is cos x. So here what I will do, I will take G of k just for understanding purpose, where k is equal to cos x, that you can see, where k is cos x. Next the term is G of k. When G of x is 3x square, then G of k will be 3k square. So this will be is equal to 3 into, I am replacing k value, that is cos x the whole square. So 3 into cos square x. This is G composition F of x. Hope you understood G composition F. Now let me take F composition G. Second part. F composition G of x is equal to F of G of x. Just remove the small circle. Then F will be as it is. What is G of x now? G of x is 3x square. 3x square will write. Then I am going to take another term, say t, where t is equal to 3x square. Now the term is f of t. What will be f of x? Cos x. Then is f of t will be cos t. The variable is t, so cos t. And cos of t function, what is t? 3x square. So just I am writing t as 3x square. So this is going to be the f composition G of x. So let me take this as equation number 1, f composition G as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, do you think they are equal? No. Therefore, f composition G is not equal to G composition F. Dear students, like this we have to solve the problems on composition of functions. Hope you understood G composition F of x and F composition G of x. Let me go to the next question. Show that if f from R to 7 by 5 to R minus 3 by 5 is defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, and G from R minus 3 by 5 to R minus 7 by 5 is defined by G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Then F composition G is equal to IA and G composition F is equal to IB, where A is a set, that is R minus 3 by 5, and B is equal to R minus 7 by 5. These are the sets A and B. IA of x is equal to x and IB of x is equal to x for every x belongs to the set B are called identity functions on the set A and B respectively. Dear students, I refers identity function. The definition of identity function that you can see here, IA of x is equal to x, IB of x is equal to x. Hope you remember the identity function. To say f is identity, f of x is equal to x and g of x should be x. So these are called identity functions. So taking this, I have to prove f composition g is identity function, g composition f is also identity function. Let me have the solution of this one. Let me take given f of x is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 and g of x is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. I will solve this in detail, students. So please concentrate while watching this video, because here functions are different. I have to prove f composition g is identity function, g composition f is also identity function. Let me write f of x, g of x one more time in the next slide. So f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 and g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. These are the two functions. Okay, let me have g composition f of x. As you know, g composition f of x can be written g of f of x, just removing the small circle. This is equal to g of, replace the function f of x. What is f of x? 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Dear students, I am replacing f of x. In the next step, g of k I will write, as in this previous example I solved, k I will take, where k is a function 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, just for understanding purpose. Now g of k, you can observe g of x is here. To get g of k, replace x as k in g of x, that you can see 7k plus 4 upon 5k minus 3, students. This is g of k. Now I am going to replace k function. 7 into k function is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 plus 4 divided by 5 into k function 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. This is the denominator 5k minus 3. Hope you are understanding. I am replacing k function. That's it. Now I am going to simplify. 7 I will multiply to the numerator, so that what I am going to get, 21x plus 28 divided by 5x minus 7 plus 4 will keep as it is, divided by, multiply 5 into the numerator, 15x plus 20 upon 5x minus 7 and minus 3. Hope you all remember how to simplify the fractions. Now 21x plus 28 multiplying 5x minus 4 to this 4, so that it will be 20x minus 28 divided by 5x minus 4, something like LCM, whole divided by again 5x minus 7 into 3, so that this 15x plus 20 minus 3 into 5, 15x minus minus plus 3 into 7 will be 21 upon 5x minus 7. 5x minus 7 and 5x minus 7 gets cancelled. Then the remaining terms are 21x plus 28 plus 20x minus 28 divided by 15x and 15x you can cancel. 20 plus 21 will be 41. So now 28 and minus 28 will get cancelled. 21x plus 20x, is it 41x? Definitely 41x upon 41, and this is going to be 41 and 41 gets cancelled, x. Dear students, we have started g composition f of x. So g composition f of x is equal to x you got. Is it nothing but g composition f is an identity function? Definitely g composition f is identity function, because we have got G composition f of x is equal to x. This is the solution of G composition f, and we proved identity function. Next I have to prove f composition G. For that I will rewrite one more time. F of x is equal to the function 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7, and g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Now the job is to find out f composition G, because just now we completed G composition f. So according to the definition, f of g of x, this is going to be f of, replace g of x function, that is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3, and this is equal to, let me take a t here as I told you in the previous example, where t is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3, just for understanding purpose. Now f of t, look at f of x here, this is f of x, the same will be f of t. Now 3t plus 4 upon 5t minus 7, now replace a t value, that is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 plus 4 divided by 5 into t, that is 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 minus 7. So if I simplify this one, then what will happen, just we will see it. Dear students, this is equal to means f composition G of x is equal to, multiply 3 to the numerator, 21x plus 12 upon 5x minus 3 plus 4 whole divided by, multiply 5 into the numerator, 35x plus 20 upon 5x minus 3 minus 7. Hope you are aware of fractions simplification. Taking LCM, that is 21x plus 12 remains as it is, and 4 into 5x 20x minus 4 into 3 will be 12 upon, don't forget in the denominator 5x minus 3 divided by, again LCM, 35x plus 20 remains as it is, minus 7 into 5 minus 35x, minus into minus plus, 7 into 3 will be 21 divided by 5x minus 3. Of course 5x minus 3 gets cancelled, then 21x plus 12 plus 20x minus 12 upon 35x plus 12 minus 35x plus 21. What are the terms will cancel, students? Here plus 12 and minus 12 gets cancelled. 21x plus 20x will be 41x upon 35x, and minus 35 gets cancelled. 20 plus 21 will be 41. This is equal to 41 and 41 gets cancelled, and we get x. So started from f composition G of x is equal to x, we got definitely f composition G is also an identity function. So both G composition f of x equal to x we got, and f composition G of x also we got x. It means that f composition G and G composition f are identity function. Hope you followed these two. Let me take one more example. If f from R to R be given by f of x equal to 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3, then find f composition f of x. Dear students, as I explained, f composition f of x is, according to the definition, first I will take f of x is equal to 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3 is a given function. You need to find out f composition f. Very important example. F composition f of x is equal to, remove the small circle, f of x is equal to, very simple, just replace first f of x, 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3. Now to make it simple, take it as k, but where k you have to write, what is k? 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3. Dear students, observe this carefully. F of k I will write, this is your f of x. Now in place of x I will write k, because of f of k I want. So 3 minus k cube to the power 1 by 3. I just replaced x as k. Now I am going to simplify. This is equal to, replace k function. What is k function? 3 minus k I have to write now, students. K you can see, that is 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3. This is k, but I want k cube. So now this will be k cube. Hope you are following. To the power 1 by 3. As usual, the last to the power 1 by 3. This means 3 minus k cube to the power 1 by 3. Here second, this 3 and this 3 you cancel. So what happens? 3 minus x cube to the power 1 by 3 you get, and then minus u inside, minus 3 plus x cube to the power 1 by 3. This is equal to, plus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled, x cube to the power 1 by 3, and 3 and 3 will get cancelled. What is the remaining? X is the remaining. Hence we got f composition f of x is equal to x is the solution of the problem. Hope you followed this one of the very important question. Find g composition f and f composition g if f of x is mod of x and g of x is modulus of x 5x minus 2. Dear students, again the same type of question. Find g composition f of x. What is the definition? Remove the small circle. G of f of x is equal to g of, what is f of x? Modulus of x. Now for the example, now for the simplification, purpose, I will take it as k. So k will be mod of x. What will be g of k? Is it modulus of 5k minus 2? Definitely. Replace k here. 5 into k is mod of x minus 2. So I just write 5x minus 2. Mod of x is x. So 5x minus 2. This is my g composition f of x. Hope you followed. G composition f of x is equal to modulus of 5x minus 2. Now let me take f composition z. F composition g of x is equal to f of g of x, as the definition says. Now I have to replace g of x, that is mod of 5x minus 2. And now to simplify, I will take it as f of k or t, anything you can take, where k is, in this example, in this 5x minus 2, mod of 5x minus 2. So what will be f of k? F of k will be mod of k. So this is equal to, modulus of k means mod of 5x minus 2, and you can write it as just modulus of 5x minus 2. So this is going to be f composition z of x. That was also g composition f of x was also modulus of 5x minus 2, and this f composition g of x is also modulus of 5x minus 2. Both are equal. Hence you can say f composition g is equal to g composition f. Hope you understood this example. These are the examples on composition of functions. In the next video we'll come with some more concepts of functions. Thank you, students.